Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us on Elasto Proxy, the Art of Sealing podcast. And we're here today. Today is October 23rd. We just finished doing our first ever rubber event, and we're sitting here today with Ayo Ajumobi. How's it going?
Good, I'm doing good. How about yourself?
There you go. Doing
Yeah,
good?
doing good, yes.
So Ayo was one of the participants in the rubber event, and I just want to maybe pick your brain a bit. What was your idea of rubber before and now, I guess, with one of your colleagues saying that the image is now colorful
Yes.
because of the information that was given?
Yeah, like one of my colleagues said, before the art of, or should I say the science of selecting a gasket was like a puzzle with with some missing pieces, and we didn't know which where the pieces each one fitted. So the thing is that for me, and especially for some of my colleagues, we knew, of course, that certain kinds of gaskets work well in certain areas. For example, especially in terms of solvents and their resistance to so certain kind of solvent, but we didn't know which one. Which one is more resistant to gasoline, for example, and stuff like that. And the one of the things that I already dealt with, when I dealt with Elasto Proxy before, is I knew the durometer I wanted.
Okay. Yeah.
I knew the area it was going to fit, and that's about it.
That's it?
That's generally about it. Oh, the durometer, I knew it. So, but basically things like where the solubility in terms of solvent and stuff, it was really vague.
And after it wasn't a long event, but I think it was an informative event. How do you feel after? You feel more confident now choosing more? I guess it's material that's really was a
yes, material, the right material for the right job. It's now clear that some of the selections made in past were they were not quite up to scratch.
Okay.
So right now I'm more confident selecting the right material for the right application. Apart from the basic things we knew about, like durometer and stuff, fit, and even about compression.
That was one that I know you were very interested in. That one in the meeting.
It was not something that was very clear. The extent to which it had to compress, the compression ratio, like one of my colleagues asked, Yuvraj, when he asked, it wasn't clear. It wasn't. But right now, we could see that some of the things we did in past were not quite. They could have been better. Could have been so. Actually, this is one of the reasons why when I met your company about 2 years ago, this is one of the things that we asked for. We like a kind of informative session.
Absolutely.
From the experts. I'm a design engineer. I'm a professional engineer. I've designed. But I'm not a rubber guy. I'm not a gasket guy. A lot of our guys are not too. They are very competent, experienced engineers. Some of them like 30, 40 years experience.
Absolutely.
But, this guy, when it comes to the art of gasket, the art of sealing, let me call it the science of sealing.
The science, I like that. The science of sealing.
You guys are obviously, you know your stuff. So we're happy to have come to this event. And like I said, we're still a group of engineers back in the factory who would like to have.
So you would recommend this to anyone that maybe is looking for or missing this type of information? You would recommend this to someone?
Correct. Basically that's why I asked that when will be the next session for it, and you guys kindly volunteer that you probably come back to our office, our factory.
Absolutely,
to
with
help
pleasure.
us out, that would be good.
For us is to transmit this knowledge. It's not a knowledge that we have to keep in our own heads, or it's not that at all. We want everyone to know about the art of sealing, or the science of sealing, as you're saying, because it makes our jobs much easier the more knowledge that our customers have, or our partners have in that case. That's our belief in that.
I call it the science. In the survey that I filled, although I don't have my name on that, I write now, for me it's an exact science.
It's exact science. So that's good.
It's more exact than vague. Before it was vague. Now within a period of a few hours, it's
clarity, a bit more clarity.
Clarity, yes.
Ayo, thank you so much for participating in this. I really do appreciate it.
For having us.
Of course, anytime you're more than welcome. And thank you everyone for taking the time to participate in watching this video. This is Roberto Nacarado from the Art of Sealing podcast. Thank you.